Hello student, welcome all of you. This is Mr. Sadanshu sir, Department of Mathematics, Sanjeevani Mahavidyalaya, Sapoli. Dear students, we are going to discuss introduction of syllabus. So this is a class for BSc second year, semester 4th. In last semester, we discussed or we studied some papers. Paper 6th was real analysis first, which is taught by me. Then paper 7th was group theory, which is taught by me, 7th paper. Then 8th paper was ordinary differential equation. After that, for the semester 4th, so in last semester, there are 3 papers of mathematics. In 4th semester, there are 3 papers of mathematics. So out of them, paper 9th is a real analysis second. This paper is depend on the real analysis first, because same name, real analysis first and real analysis second, so it is the continuation of that paper. So obviously this paper will teach by me. Next is the ring theory, paper number 10. So this ring theory paper is also depend on group theory, that means paper number 7, which is taught by me. So obviously this ring theory paper will teach by me. There are 4 units now. Okay, we introduce which the real analysis second. Where is the real analysis second? Real analysis second, semester 4. Okay, okay, no problem. We discuss on the ring theory. Okay, this is the ring theory. Okay, this is the ring theory, paper number 10. So there are 4 units, and first unit is there. In first unit there is some concepts, but this is a very interesting concept. What is meant by ring? Definition of ring, some elementary property of ring with without zero divisor, what is meant by integral domain, field, division ring, skew field, all these things, and you are not familiar to this. This is your first time. So I suggest you please see each and every lectures, and if you have any difficulty, then you can ask me any question about the point. Because this algebra, that is the abstract algebra, group theory, ring theory, is a very basic algebra, very basic and fundamental, and you have to study it. If you are interested to make your career in a mathematics, so it must be necessary to read this abstract algebra, that means the group theory and ring theory, be carefully and precisely. In chapter 2, there is isomorphism. So all this concept, isomorphism, homomorphism, characteristics, all these things is similar like is analogous like the concept we have used in group. What is meant by group? Example of group, isomorphism of group. After that, homomorphism in group. We have already discussed on these concepts, and similar and analogous concepts is here in ring theory. Same. After that, the unit third, divisibility in an integral domain. Very interesting concept. What is meant by the integral domain? We will discuss. After that, units, associates, prime elements, greatest common divisor, then polynomial rings, polynomial over integral domain, division algorithm or polynomial over a field, Euclidean algorithm for polynomial over a field. After fourth unit, unique factorization domain, unique factorization domain theorem, unique factorization theorem for polynomial over a field, quotient ring. So, quotient ring is analogous like that of the in group we have already discussed quotient group. After that, residue class ring, homomorphism of ring, kernel of ring, homomorphism, same like kernel of homomorphism in group. Then maximal ideal, prime ideal, Euclidean ring or Euclidean domain. And our textbook is Modern Algebra by A.R. Vasista. So, this is our textbook, Modern Algebra. You can purchase this through Amazon, Flipkart in online mode. This book is available on Flipkart, also on Amazon and some Snapdeal, etc. etc. So, you can purchase it. I will try to post, I will try to upload soft copy of this book if I get. Some references books are given. Iron stress topic in algebra, which was the textbook in previous semester. Now it is comes to be a reference book. J.B. Ferrier first course in abstract algebra, Joseph Gallian contemporary abstract algebra, R.P. Rohtgi and so on. P.V. Bhattacharya, S.K. Jain, Nagpal. These all books are the very higher language books, and these books, Modern Algebra by the A.R. Vasista, is very simple Indian language books. So, you prepare to this book. So, this is over, that is ring theory, syllabus of ring theory. Okay. Okay, ring theory is over. Then paper 9th, see paper 9th, that is real analysis second. So, real analysis second, this paper is completely depend on paper 6, that is real analysis first. So, I hope you understood each and every concepts of real analysis first. If you are know, please do study, revise it. Unit first, that is Riemann integral. So, in Riemann integral, there is an introduction, the definition and existence of the integral. What is meant by integral? Its existence, conditions for existence of the Riemann integral, then inequality for the integral, refinement of the partition. Very interesting concept, very interesting concept. What is meant by refinement? Some theorems on this refinement is also given. So, refinement of partitions, Darbox theorem. After that, conditions of integrability, deduction, integrability of the sum and difference of integrable functions, integrability of the product, quotient and the modulus of integrable functions. Second unit is Riemann sum and sum fundamental theorem. The integral as a limit of sum, only definitions of the Riemann sum is there. Some theorems on this topic is also given, but it's not for our syllabus. Some application, some integrable functions, integration and differentiation, fundamental theorems of calculus, mean value theorem of integral calculus. After this, chapter 3rd, improper integral range of integration is finite. Improper integral range of integration is finite. This is the name of chapter. In that we will discuss introduction, then integration of unbounded functions with the finite limit of integration, comparison test for various tests are given. Leibniz test is there, logarithmic test is there, then Rabe's test is there, Ratios test is there, more tests for comparison for the convergence. If some series or the some integrals are given, so those integrals are convergence or not. So, for their verification, there are number of comparison tests are available. General test for the convergence at infinity, then absolute convergence, integrand as the product of the function, the convergence at infinity, like that. So, this is the 4th chapter is over. Textbook S.C. Malik and Savita Arora. S.C. Malik and Savita Arora is very excellent books to study real analysis second. Actually, for the real analysis first, this book is there. This book. So, for semester 3rd and semester 4th, real analysis first and real analysis second, there is only this single books is a textbook. Wow. So, some references are given. Richards or Goldberg's methods of the real analysis, Shanti Narayani, M.D. Rai Singhania, this is also good books. B.G. Bertley and Serbert, this is also very good books, okay, no problem. Some more books are given. You can purchase this book, which is Mathematical Analysis by S.C. Malik and Savita Arora, from some online mode, some Amazon, etc. are sellers are available. You visit and try to get it. Otherwise, I will try to upload these books on our WhatsApp group. So, dear student, this is our syllabus of BSc second year 4th sem is over. Now we stop it here.